Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL len command. The len command is a powerful function used to calculate the length of string values in characters, making it essential for data validation tasks. This command helps you analyze field lengths and ensure data quality in your Splunk searches. The len command returns the character count of string field values in your data. It's particularly useful when you need to validate data formats, check field lengths, or analyze text patterns. The command counts every character including spaces, numbers, and special characters within the specified field. The basic syntax for the len command is straightforward. You use it within an eval statement by typing pipe eval, followed by your new field name equals len, then the field name in parentheses. This creates a new field containing the character count of the original field. Here's a practical example. We search the web index, then use eval to create a new field called username_length that contains the length of the username field. The table command displays both the original username and its character count. As you can see, admin has 5 characters, John Doe has 7 characters, and Alexander has 9 characters. The len command is extremely valuable for validation scenarios. You can use it to enforce password policy requirements by checking minimum password lengths. It's also perfect for validating phone number formats by ensuring they meet specific length criteria. These validation checks help maintain data quality and consistency. This example demonstrates finding invalid phone numbers. We search the user's index, create a phone_len field using the len command on the phone_number field, then use where to filter records where the phone length is not equal to 10 characters. The table command displays the user ID, phone number, and calculated length for all invalid entries. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.